my friends, Coach 𝐒𝐿𝐥 here, creator of Video Marketing Profits, helping people get the blueprint to 4 to 5 figures a month on YouTube. So you're in the right place if you want to learn how to start a cash flow business online, how to grow and automate an online business, and how to create your first 4 to 5 figures a month on social media. Because if you're on social media, it should be paying you. So let's get right into what today's video is all about. Today I'm answering one very quick question. It's important and a lot of people have it. And this is for people who are out there who they're struggling in their online business or their online affiliate marketing or network marketing business. And a common question that I get is, Coach, where can I go to get traffic training? Of course, without, being out of pocket ridiculous amounts of money, and get traffic training. And if you know what traffic training is, that's training on how to get people towards your visitors so you can start getting leads and sales, right? And then where can I also get leads at, right? So I'm going to answer that question for you, okay? So let's get right into it. This is a top problem that marketers have. Again, how to get visitors to their website and get traffic. And I should say targeted traffic, because all traffic is not good traffic. If you don't know how to get the right people in front of your offer, then it's a waste of time, okay? My hair is looking super big today, okay? And then the next thing is how to get leads looking at your opportunity, your product, your service, okay? So that's what we're going to go over today. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you over to a tool suite that I use. It's called the Conversion Pros. And I'm going to show you how this can literally help teach you how to build your business. Okay, so what the Conversion Pros is it is a marketing tool suite. It's a funnel builder. It's a affiliate marketing training suite. And it's a way for you to automate and grow your business through having the tools that you need to grow your business in terms of like an autoresponder, et cetera, okay? So that's what the Conversion Pros is. It's all in one. You don't need, this tool over here, this tool over here, this training platform over here. Everything is all in one. And the great thing is you can take the 14-day free trial and then you can upgrade so you have access to this, and you can also make commissions off of it by helping other people grow their business with this as well. Now, when you come into the Conversion Pros, we're talking about traffic training today, because it's so important that you are trained on what to do without having to spend thousands of dollars to learn how to do it. So when you come into the Conversion Pros back office, one of the first things you have access to is fast start training and training videos. Okay, I'm going to go over here to some of those. So this is the training videos. Okay, so the first thing that they give you access to is training on how to use the system, which that's the funnel builder part of it. So it allows you to create custom landing pages, sales pages, etc. For your business, to grow your business, to capture those leads that you're going to get from learning the traffic training they give you access to. The next thing is you get affiliate training on how to make money with the system. And then this is the important tab. It's called the coaching tab. And this is a tab where you can literally go through, and there's all these videos on how to, use different platforms to get traffic to your, or visitors, I guess I should say, to your website. Okay, whatever your offer is. So here's what I would do. You don't need to go through all of these. What I tell people to do is think about what platform that you think you want to market on. Okay, so for example, I advise everyone to market on YouTube, and I'm going to show you how this system provides training on marketing on YouTube as well. Also, Facebook is a great platform as well. But there's different other ways that you can get leads. So you come back here, and let's say you wanted to market on Craigslist. You can do this training, how to market on Craigslist and get leads. There's another training, how to market your business on Twitter. There's another one, how to market on Facebook and get leads. Okay. And it's all this information that you need to know to grow your business. Now, over here, another place that you can go to get training is when you click on the page, where is it? Hold on. Share codes landing pages on the left side. Okay. Down here, okay, if you scroll down, you're going to see what are called lead magnets. And even though these are free trainings you can give away, you can also access these trainings for yourself and your own business to help you grow your business. And I'm going to show you some of these lead magnets. So we're going to come over here. Let me close this window. Okay, so for example, this is a lead magnet that you can give away. It comes with a capture page, okay? And there's a free Instagram marketing train. This is a full Instagram marketing train. I can tell you that I recently went through someone's Instagram marketing training, and I was kind of giggling to myself because the training that they were charging people $250 for is in the Conversion Pros. And I'm like, okay. So here it is. And by the way, the Conversion Pros monthly is only $50. Okay. And you get 2 referrals and yours is free. Or 3 referrals, I'm sorry, and yours is free. Okay. So there's no reason why people shouldn't have access to the training that they need to grow their business. And $50 is nothing. Like, I don't even know what that comes out to, like, per week to be able to grow your business. What is that? Like $12.50 a week, something like that, to be able to grow your business. Okay. So anyways, Instagram, there's a free masterclass on how to market your business using Instagram. So if you wanted to be on the Instagram platform, there it is. A lot of people, they wonder, how do I figure out Instagram? This training is bomb. All right. Then there's a Facebook Live marketing training. I'm going to give you a tip with this. Okay. Here's the thing about Facebook and YouTube. Okay. Both of them are pretty much video platforms. If you're using it the right way to gain exposure in your business. The thing with videos is you have to understand how not to just be making videos, but to make videos that convert. That is what this training actually absolutely helps you do. So you want to get in, you want to go through this training. This is, again, one of the other lead magnets, but you can have access to it and use it for training in your own business. And this goes over everything you need to know about Facebook Live marketing. Okay. And then again, this is I got in here and I was like, man, I got some good tips. I got some great tips for my business and for my lives just by watching. So I'm actually going to, this third one down here, I'm going to watch this again because it was good stuff. And then there's a master class on how to market on Pinterest, which if you are already doing YouTube marketing or even Facebook Live marketing, you could literally download your videos and upload them to Pinterest and have Pinterest out there working for you, generating you extra leads, right? So it's really about learning how to repurpose what you're already doing. Pick a platform, get consistent on marketing on it, and then learn platforms where you can repurpose your content. For example, you can repurpose your content on Pinterest. You can repurpose your content on LinkedIn, sharing it to those platforms, and now you can gather leads from those platforms as well. All right, Snapchat. Right now, Snapchat and TikTok are all the rage. And honestly, this training on Snapchat, you could actually apply in a lot of ways to TikTok as well. And this is a free masterclass on Snapchat. It goes over everything you need to know to market. If you had to pay for each one of these courses, let's just talk about, I've seen each one of these masterclasses for each one of these platforms go for anywhere from $250 to $1,000 for each one of these. So you could have easily, for the same information, you have access to all these master classes in the Conversion Pros. You easily could have dropped, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000. Okay, on a low end, a good $2,000, right? But you get access to all this for your $50 membership, and that also gives you the tools, the autoresponder, the landing pages builders to build your business and grow yourself. And again, there's a 14-day trial. You can get in from day one and get in and start getting access to this training. Okay. So that's, pretty awesome to me. I'm pretty happy about that. And then there's also a Twitter YouTube training, or a Twitter, why can't I talk? A Twitter masterclass as well. And the last thing, wow, guys, this is going to blow you away. So right now, for those, everybody should be marketing on YouTube. I don't care who you are, you really should. One of the things that can really help grow your business is understanding how to do YouTube ads. Okay. For people who've been marketing for a while, you know that YouTube ads courses are expensive typically. Okay. You might see some lower end ones, but most of them out there are going for $500 to $1,000 a piece. And this is in the Conversion Pros. Okay, so you get access to everything you need to know to be able to set up a YouTube ad. If you work a job and you wanted to learn how to autopilot your business in terms of the lead generation, you could have an ad out there going on YouTube and it's generating leads for all the time. The difference between YouTube ads versus other platforms is that YouTube, it's a search engine, so people are already going to the engine looking for someone to solve a problem for them in a different niche. And if your ad gets in front of them, they're likely to take a look at your offer and even buy your offer. Okay, so this is great training to have on YouTube ads. Okay, you have access to this as well. All right, now the last thing that I want to point out to you is, to me, it's very important to have a way to get to leads faster. Okay, so while you're learning all of this stuff, a great thing that the Conversion Pros has done for you is allow you to order leads. So literally, you can come in here while you're learning one of these platforms, YouTube or whatever platform you want to start marketing. You're learning how to get out there. You can literally come in here. You can come over here where it says leads. You can click on order leads. Okay, and you can come in here. You get to pick what type of lead you want. You get to, basically order your lead, and then you can pay for them right in the system. And these are pre-qualified leads. Okay, so you can order like a package of like 50, 100, 200, however many you want. All right, and these are pre-qualified leads, people who they already went to an ad that the Conversion Pros has put out there, and they've already mentioned that they are looking for a home-based business opportunity. They've mentioned how much their budget is, okay, to start a home-based business, and you literally have access to their name, their email address, their phone number, and you can reach out to them and talk to them about your home-based business opportunity. You can even email them, however you want, so you can text them, right? But having in front of you, here's the difference that I would say between the leads that are in the Conversion Pros, right, get into traffic faster versus solo ads. I can't even tell you how many people I talk to, and they say, oh, I buy so many solo ads and they don't work. Because here's the thing, you don't know where these leads are coming from these solo ads. You don't even know if the people who clicked on the solo ads are even interested in home-based business opportunities. So sometimes it's a waste because you just don't know, right? So with the Conversion Pros, with the leads, they're all interested in home-based business opportunity. Your job is just to put your business opportunity in front of those people. And that's the difference between pre-qualified leads that the Conversion Pros provides to you to be able to have access to that as a Conversion Pros member versus doing a solo ad. Okay, so that's it. You can also get leads in your back office, pre-qualified leads, right from your back office. All right, so that's it. I really want you to understand that when you're a member of the Conversion Pros, you get all the tools, the marketing tools that you need to grow your business, but you also get amazing training to help you learn how to get traffic and leads and convert them. And that's another big issue that affiliate network marketers, online marketers have is, okay, so maybe they might have learned how to get leads. They have no idea how to convert leads. And that's what the Conversion Pros teaches you in its training, is how do you convert those leads. It teaches you to have a system to help you convert those leads. That's what the Conversion Pros is. So that's it. So I hope this was of value to you. Comment below your best takeaway. And if you're on YouTube, make sure that you hit that subscribe, smash that subscribe button. It costs you nothing. And I'll see you in the next video, my friend. Bye, guys.